Okay, so normally when you do for the payment, let's say example, if I paid by cash, normally you print out a receipt. So if you want to disable for the auto print, very simple, go to the setting, then go to the receipt report printer, then scroll until the bottom, you'll see there's a paid or quick order. So you untick it, just click save. Then after that, if you do some payment, if you pay, it won't auto print the receipt. If you want to manually print, just click on here. If you want to disable for not printing the receipt and you want to make it auto print after you pay, then you go back to the setting, go to the receipt and report, and you tick it to auto print again. That's all for today. Thank you. Support system, Tai Yong Seng.